Hello everyone, today in this video I'll share how you can make Shopify bundle or quantity break with a free app. So if you don't have a Shopify store, you can just start for free. You can click on this button and you will get it started with Shopify. Okay, so this is my Shopify store dashboard and I need to install the free app we are going to use. Okay, so I need to go to the Shopify app store. Okay, so then I will search for rapi bundle apps. The free Shopify bundle app also has a premium plan. Okay, so we'll try the free plan today. Okay, so this is the free plan. You can see the features and there is a premium feature also. You also can take that if you need. Okay, so I will click on install. So it's comes to my dashboard and clicking on install. Okay, so the app is already installed and I just need to embed with my theme. Okay, here you can see activate theme app extension. So I need to activate. For this it will take to my theme customizer. Then I need to just embed with my theme so the app will work perfectly. Okay, so I need to click on save. Okay, so now the app is perfectly work with my theme. Just I need to do a refresh. Here you can see we can make bundles like this. We can make something like this. We can use these features. Here you can see customizers. Okay, so we'll see this in live. We can make our bundle. You can see create your first bundle offer. I'll create on this, and here you can see there is lots of module we can use it. And for example, I am choosing this one. Also, we need to select our product. If I want to show for all product, then I will click on all product, then specific product, specific collection, and all product except selected. Okay, so there is a various kind of selection method. So I'll do for a specific product. For say I'll click the mini portable blender product and I can do a name mini blender bundle. Okay, so you can put whatever you want. Okay, so here you can see the header text. That means the choose for your offer, this text. So you can change it to any text. Okay, then here you can see the thickness of the border. You can see the thickness of the border. We can increase or decrease here, and we can remove or add this one. Okay, so for now I will use this one, and I'll see there is a template. That means the structure of the bundle. Here you can see royal, it's a different style, and block, it's a different style. Then here is light, it's a different style. Okay, for now I will use this one, and also you can change the color as per the store color. Okay, so there is a bunch of color and I'm going to use this one. Okay, so here also you can see block radius. You can see the block radius, so you can increase or decrease as per we want. And block thickness. Okay, so I'll use 2 pixel border thickness. Okay, also you can see top, you can see the top spacing here. Okay, so there is also bottom spacing. Okay, we can use it as per you want. And here you can see option check mark show ratio a radio or hide radio. So you can see, if you want, you can use it. So it's a good thing to understand for client customers. Okay. It's a swatches. If we have swatches, we can use it. And I'll just click on this, and here you can see the volume discount offer. Offer 1, that means the single one. Offer 2, it's duo, and offer 3 is trio. Okay, so we can change this text. Single standard price. Okay, single will have the regular price. Then offer 2, yeah, you will get 10% discount, and offer 3 you will get 20% discount. So we can set the custom price from here. Also you can change the discount value to price and fixed price. Here you can also set the percentage. If I make this 30%, so it will be changed to 30%. It's up to you how much discount you want to provide to your customer. Okay, so it's very simple. We just need to follow the settings. And quantity, here you can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. Offer 2, you can see 2 quantity, that means it's a duo offer, and you will get 2 quantity of product. And offer 3, there is a 3 product. And the discount, you can see, you could change the discount. Okay, so also you can see buy one get one free. Okay, it's a BOGO offer. It's for BOGO offer, and you can change this text to BOGO. Okay, for now, let's say I'm using this one, and you can change the highlight and uncheck one. So I'm going to use this one, and you can change the style type. You can see, so there is lots of style type to use. Okay, so for now, let's say I'm going to use this one, and the shape is rounded or you see squared. And most popular, you can change the text. Okay, so this is the bundle offers section, and here you can see this for a subscription, and we can change the style of subscription. And you can see, so for this we need a app for subscription. Okay, so just skip it for now. We'll just focus on bundles and quantity breaks. Okay, these are for the design, and this section is for color, volume discount colors. Okay, if you want to check this one, need to change this to this color and highlight to another color. Okay, so this is the simple thing. We'll just need to change from here. If I change to this color, okay, so you can see we can easily do that. Quantity widget, we also can add this kind of colors, and we can add kind of colors. So this is a very easy process to add that. Also you can change the font size, font style, and font. Okay, let's say I'm increase the size or decrease the size. Font bold or italic, we can change from here. Then there is a advanced setting. You can see variants. Let customer choose different variant for each item, so you can turn on or uncheck from here. Okay, we can hide theme price, so theme price will be hidden. Okay, let's say for hide this one and this one, we don't need this. And hide variants when stock out. Okay, so here is the option. You can see use this code for custom placement or page builders, optional. So if you are using a page builder, just copy this code and paste into the target section you want to use. Okay, so for now I'll publish, and I'll go to my Shopify store, and I'll go to customize. Okay, then I'll go to product template. Okay, here you can see the app is embedded, that's why it comes automatically here. Also you can do that manually. Okay, if it's not comes, you can see apps. We can take this from apps, so it comes automatically, so it's a better thing for us. And if I see the product, okay, you can see the bundle is activated and we can easily boost our sales by this kind of bundles. Okay, so Rappi bundle has many other options to show, like here you can see choose a bundle type. That is a different kind of bundle. So bundle plus color swatch, you can see this one. Also there is a combo bundle offer, there is a BOGO offer, there is a bundle and upsell offers, and bundle and free gifts offers, you can see. So block of bundles, so there are lots of option to use. You will just use which one you want. Okay, so this is how we can add quantity break